Urban planning is a field of study that works to improve the quality of life of people in their communities by creating more convenient, equitable, efficient, healthy, and attractive places for present and future generations. In simpler terms, urban planning helps guide how cities and towns take shape. Where should the tallest buildings or most intense uses go? Where should transit lines go? Where is the best place to locate a new park? All these types of questions can be answered through urban planning. Dating as far back as ancient Egypt, urban planning has always been about designing a setting where civilization could thrive. How we've defined success with city building has changed over the centuries, but a few core elements have stayed the same. These core elements are economy, environment, health, and a sense of place, each of which provides important reasons for why we plan. We plan because how a city or town takes shape has a big impact on how its economy can take root and prosper. From planning roadway networks and rail systems to transport goods, to designing transit networks to get people to and from work and school efficiently, urban planning has always had a strong relationship with economic development. We plan to help protect our environment. Whether it's designating lands to preserve for wildlife habitat or establishing standards for greener buildings, urban planning can play a role in creating a more sustainable future. Designing a city that protects public health is one of the longest-standing roles that planning has played. Plans across the country have helped ensure that residential uses are safe distances from places that may pose health risks. Recent efforts in planning have focused more on designing cities to promote healthy lifestyles through pedestrian connectivity and access to healthy foods. We plan to help enforce our community's identity. Creating a sense of place is one of the greatest outcomes of planning efforts. Planning can help cities take shape in a way that celebrates their natural surroundings or embodies the unique history and culture of their community. Cities are not accidental spaces, but human creations. Urban planning provides the vehicle for collaboration and design into this process. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to learn more about planning in Phoenix, please visit our website at phoenix.gov/pdd. This video is brought to you through a partnership with the Arizona Community Foundation.